Ever wonder what really keeps your home safe when you're not around? In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 must-have home security sensors you absolutely need to protect your home and your peace of mind. And the best part? You can install them yourself. Hi, I'm Kathy, your security pro with over 25 years of experience in the security industry. We're diving into the world of home security sensors. These are the gadgets that serve as the eyes and ears of your home security system. But before we dive into specific sensors, let's talk about one of the most important concepts in home security: layers of defense. Imagine each layer as a protective barrier. If one line of defense is bypassed, another is still in place to stop the threat. These sensors, when combined, create a fortress around your home. They work together to alert you instantly when something goes wrong. I'll be sharing my professional recommendations for each sensor type and explaining the basis for these recommendations so that you can make the best choices for your home. Let's get started. Your home is a sanctuary, but it's full of entry points that intruders can exploit. A cracked window, an unlocked back door, or a forgotten basement window. All of these can be prime spots for a break-in. With the right security sensors, you can monitor these vulnerabilities and respond instantly to threats. But which sensors are truly essential? Let's go ahead and break it down layer by layer. In security, we always think in terms of deterrence, detection, and response. Each sensor adds a layer that strengthens your overall defense. Let's go ahead and start with the basics, keeping intruders out before they even step inside. When we talk about layers of security, we start at the perimeter, securing the outside of your home before any threat can make it inside. This is where perimeter detection comes into play, with door and window sensors and glass break sensors acting as your frontline defenders. First up are door and window sensors, which act as your first layer of defense. They alert you whenever a door or window is opened. Think of them as the tripwires that catch intruders at the entry points. Now, based on my experience with various security systems, I recommend the Ring Alarm contact sensors for DIY installation. They're part of the Ring Alarm system, and they are known for their simple DIY installation. Just attach them to your doors or windows with the adhesive provided, and you're good to go. However, you'll also need to purchase the Ring Alarm base station to use these sensors, as it connects all of the devices in your alarm system together, and it sends alerts directly to your phone. If you're looking for an alternative, I recommend the Aqara door and window sensors. These sensors are also easy to install, and they integrate well with smart home setups. Keep in mind, you will need to purchase the Aqara hub to make them work, but this hub can also be used with the Apple HomeKit as your smart home control center. This is a great option if you're already in the Apple ecosystem. Our second layer of perimeter defense is the glass break sensor. Intruders who smash windows often think that they can bypass traditional door sensors. But these sensors pick up the unique sound frequency of breaking glass. It's like having an extra ear listening for trouble. I highly recommend the Ring Alarm glass break sensor. It's wireless, it's easy to install, and it integrates perfectly with the Ring Alarm system. You'll want to position it within 20 feet of large glass windows for the best results. If someone tries to break a window to sneak in, this sensor will trigger the alarm before they can even step foot inside. Now, if you're using the Apple HomeKit and you want a simple solution, I recommend the Logitech Circle View camera. While they don't specifically detect glass breaking, these cameras have audio and motion detection features alerting you to any unusual activity inside your home. They integrate seamlessly with Apple HomeKit, and they're a great option for users who are already in the Apple ecosystem. Once the perimeter is secure, the next focus is interior detection. This is where motion sensors come in, detecting any movement inside your home and offering you that next level of protection. Motion sensors act as your third layer of defense, monitoring movement within your home's interior. These sensors detect motion when someone enters a protected area. I always recommend placing these in high-traffic areas like hallways and entryways to catch intruders as they move through the house. A great choice is the Aqara motion sensor. It's compatible with Apple HomeKit and it requires the Aqara hub to work. It's small, it's wireless, and it is incredibly easy to set up, making it ideal for smart home enthusiasts. If you're already using the Ring alarm system, they also offer a Ring motion detector that integrates seamlessly with their ecosystem, giving you even more options. Now here's a pro tip. Place your motion sensors in room corners for maximum coverage. And if you have pets, make sure you get a model that has pet immunity and can distinguish between a person and your furry friends. That way, you'll reduce false alarms. And I also recommend that you use motion detectors in multiples. Not just one motion detector, but 2 or 3. That's going to give you redundancy, and it's going to help you to weed out possible false alarms. Now, moving beyond intruders, let's talk about another critical layer of defense: environmental sensors. While most people think of home security in terms of protecting against intruders, your home is also vulnerable to natural threats like water damage. Environmental sensors provide that extra layer of protection, safeguarding you from costly damages that can happen quietly over time. For instance, water leaks can cost thousands of dollars in repairs, and often you don't even know there's an issue until it's too late. That's where water leak sensors come in, acting as your 4th layer of defense. I recommend the Govee water leak detector. It's affordable, it's easy to install, and it alerts you with sound and light the moment it detects moisture. If you're already using Aqara products, the Aqara water leak sensor is another excellent option, which integrates with the Aqara hub and the Apple HomeKit for seamless smart home control. Now here's a quick fact. Did you know that small leaks can waste up to 10,000 gallons of water a year in your home? That's enough to fill a whole swimming pool. A water leak sensor can help you catch these problems before they spiral out of control and cost you a ton of money. Place these sensors under sinks, near your water heater, or in your basement for maximum coverage. Water leak sensors are a smart way to protect your home from environmental threats that don't announce themselves until it's too late. Now let's talk about the 5th and final layer of defense, which falls under life safety: smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. These are not just about protecting your property, but about saving lives. Fire spreads incredibly fast, and carbon monoxide is odorless and deadly. It's often called the silent killer for a good reason. Ensuring that your home has proper smoke and carbon monoxide detection is crucial for your family safety. Now, based on my extensive experience, I recommend the detectors from First Alert. First Alert is a leader in the life safety department, and their detectors offer both smoke and carbon monoxide protection. They're easy to install, and they offer models that integrate with both Amazon's Alexa and Ring's base station. Here's a pro tip. Make sure to install these detectors on every level of your home, especially near bedrooms where people sleep. Actually, I'm going to encourage you to go a little further and do as I've done in my own home, and make sure that you install a smoke detector in each bedroom in your home. Early detection can make all the difference in an emergency. With these 5 sensors, you're not just setting up a security system. You're creating a comprehensive shield around your home that alerts you to danger the moment it arises. Whether it's an intruder, a water leak, or a life-threatening event like smoke or carbon monoxide, your home and family are covered on all fronts. While DIY security systems can be appealing for their affordability and ease of use, they may not be the right fit for every situation. For larger properties or more complex security needs, a professionally installed system often provides a greater peace of mind. With professional installation, you get expert planning and seamless integration, ensuring that every corner of your home is covered. That said, if you're a homeowner looking to start building layers of protection, these DIY-friendly sensors are a great place to begin. They're easy to install, they're reliable, and can immediately enhance your home's security. Whether you choose to start with DIY or you go for a professional installation, adding these layers is an important step to securing your home. There you have it. 5 must-have home security sensors that can make a big difference in protecting your home and family. Home security isn't about relying on just one device. It's about building multiple layers of defense. From door and window sensors to motion detectors inside your home, to glass break sensors and environmental sensors like water leak detectors, and finally, life safety sensors like smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Each of these plays a critical role in creating a comprehensive security system. Remember, these layers don't just protect your property, they help ensure the safety and well-being of everyone inside your home. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips on keeping your home and family safe. And if you're ready to start building your own home security system, check out the links in the description below for my top product recommendations. Also, don't miss my video, Must Know DIY Home Security Tips for Homeowners, where I guide you through essential DIY strategies to boost your home security. Whether you're just starting or looking for more advanced tips, that video will give you actionable insights you can use right away. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and remember, home security is all about layers of protection. Start small and build up a system that keeps your family and your property safe.